In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Tableau Prep Beginner Guide. By the end, you'll have the installer on your computer and know exactly how to run through the setup without surprises. First, head to the official Tableau Prep download page. Using the official site is important to ensure you're getting the latest, safest version. Open your browser and search for Tableau Prep download, then look for the result from Tableau's website. That page hosts the most current installers and release notes in case you want to double-check compatibility before proceeding. Next, choose the version that matches your computer. You'll see options for Windows and for Mac, with separate downloads for Intel and Apple Silicon on Mac. Pick the one that matches your system. If you're on a Mac and aren't sure which chip you have, your system information will indicate whether it's Intel or Apple Silicon. Selecting the correct build helps avoid installation errors and ensures optimal performance. Before you can download, you'll be asked to provide a business email and some basic organization details. This is a part of accessing the free trial. Fill in the form accurately so the download is enabled. It's normal for analytics and business tools to ask for this information, and it doesn't commit you to a purchase. Once you submit the form, the download should begin automatically. On Windows, you'll get a .exe file. On Mac, it's a .idmg. If your browser prompts you to allow or keep the file, confirm the download. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a minute or two. Keep an eye on your downloads bar or your downloads folder so you can find the file when it finishes. Now let's install on Windows. Open your downloads folder, locate the Tableau prep.exe file, and double-click to launch the installer. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, choose yes. Read through the license terms and accept them to continue. If you want control over where Tableau Prep is installed or whether desktop shortcuts are created, choose Customize and adjust those options now. Otherwise, the default location works for most users and keeps future updates simple. When you're ready, click Install. You might need administrator permissions to proceed, so have those credentials available if your device is managed. The installer will copy files and set up the necessary components. This can take a few minutes. Avoid closing the window or putting your computer to sleep. When it's done, you'll see a confirmation that the installation completed successfully, and Tableau Prep will be ready to open from your Start menu or desktop shortcut.